This is my first attempt at making a tutorial for some of the features of JapanSoc. You're looking at my blog, longcountdown.com, and if you click JapanSoc info at the top, that brings up exactly that, JapanSoc information. Under Tools, you'll see JapanSoc Toolbox. Click that, and that takes you to a page that lists lots of different tools for doing lots of different things. Today we're focusing on the JapanSoc, I can't find it now, there it is, the JapanSoc social bookmarking button. This is an image taken from Jason's blog, j2fi.net. He's using the JapanSoc social bookmarking button along with other icons for Stumble Upon, Blogging Zoom, Bloglines, Netscape, a few others there. And if we click the link here to how can I get my readers to submit my articles, that takes you to that particular part of the JapanSoc FAQ. And we're really looking at part 3 here, how to socket from your footer. You can also add a JapanSocket style link at the foot of each of your own blog posts manually, as in the screenshot below. And here below that there is HTML code for Blogger. Well, the old version of Blogger, pre-2006, before Google took over and released the new version of Blogger, and they use different pieces of code. Below that I've got WordPress. That's the blogging platform that I'm using, and below that TypePad and Movable Type, which use the same code regardless of which one you use. Now, I've only tested this with WordPress because that's the only place I have a blog. I'll copy the code here, and then I'm going to open my Long Countdown dashboard. If you have a WordPress blog, then you'll be familiar with this. When I say WordPress, I'm talking about WordPress.org, not the free hosting on WordPress.com, which doesn't let you get to the back end of your blog. Anyway, here we are on the dashboard. I'll go to Presentation, Theme Editor, and in the Theme Editor we'll start with Main Index Template. Here we go, editing index.php. Now, you have to put this code into the template. Okay, you can't put it into a post as you're writing. You have to put it into the template, which is why it won't work on Windows.com sites. I'll scroll down to where I already have this code. Obviously I'm already using it on my own site. Okay, here it is. Now you have to find this place, so it's really the best place to put it is just above the description of your post. In my case, I've got it just above where it says posted in blah 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 category. And that it also comes after the line PHP the content. I'll read the rest of this entry. Now, everybody has a different WordPress theme, so what I have, and mine is custom made, made it myself, so what I have might be different to yours, but you're looking for the place between the content of the post, which is pulled in by that PHP function call, the content, and the end of the post. So before all the comments come up, paste in that code that you previously copied, click update file, and then when you go to view the site, you should see it at the bottom of your post. Now if you want to change the text for an image, you'll have to, you can copy one of the images from the Long Countdown banner page. Here we go, back to JapanSoc info, banners and buttons. Here are a number of banners and buttons I made. You can see the little ones here on the left, little circles, JapanSoc there. They're the best. Right click, save image as, save it where you want to save that image, then upload it to your own server, and include that in the link. If you've gone into the WordPress theme editor before, then I'm assuming you know how to link an image. If not, please contact me. Now, whoops, going back to the blog, what we did was we put it in the main index template, but of course you also want that on the individual post. So back into your WordPress dashboard, back into your theme editor under presentation, and open up single post, and we'll do the same thing. Here we go, editing single.php, scroll down, let's find it here. Okay, I can see PHP the content. I have a number of things after that, all kinds of bookmarking buttons, my links to Dig and Stumble Upon and Blogging Zoom, and there it is here. There's the link that we copied from the JapanSoc FAQ, and then we update the file, go back, view the site. Now when I view the site, we're still on the index page here, so if we click on the title of the blog post, we'll go to the individual posts page, scroll down a little, and you can see JapanSoc at the bottom. Now when you click that, it takes you to step 2 of the submission. Well, submit a new story, step 2. The URL that you're submitting is automatically detected and put in there. Edit the title, put in your tags, put in your description, choose a category, and submit the article. And that's all really. I know I've skipped some of the details, but the point I really wanted to get across was that you can't copy that code directly into a post. You have to put it into your blog's template for it to work. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll see if I can help you further. Thank you very much.